Facebook ad is the quickest, cheapest, hippest guy on town right now, and everyone seems to want to be in his club. But have you been using Facebook ads correctly to market your event and wedding planning services? If not, I want you to watch this video. I'm going to be sharing 4 simple and easy steps how you can use Facebook ads to ensure that you're getting the most for your marketing buck and increasing traffic to your website, and most importantly, sales for your event planning business. Now, tip number 1 is I want you to stop talking about yourself and about your company in your ads. Instead, I want you to start focusing on what your customers are looking for. So instead of posting an ad that says, "Hi, I'm Jody Ann, founder of the Event Certificate," what I want you to instead say, "Are you an event planner or wedding planner who are looking to grow your business? Well, I can help." See what I did there? That was a completely different narrative. Instead of talking about myself and my company, I spoke about the different ways that I can help you and what you might be looking for. So the key there is to answer the question of why should I care? Now, if you're not answering this for your potential event planning clients, your Facebook ads might not be doing as well as you thought they would. Tip number 2 is to stop marketing to everyone. And this is a big one because a lot of event planners often think that they're losing customers if they don't market their services to everyone. But here's the thing. Even with your family, if you look around your family, not everyone will need to be hiring a wedding planner or an event planner. Only some of your family members might. Maybe some are already quite savvy and can plan their own event, but maybe some are just outside of the age range, right? So let's say your grandmother, even though I don't know her, she might be out of the range where she's looking for a life partner. She might already be married. So right there, you need to limit your ad maybe by the age. Next, you want to limit by income. There's so many different criterias, but the key here is to know who your target clients are. So you'll know exactly who your target clients are, what they're looking for, their age, their income, and all their demographics, so you can market directly to them. I promise you, this will save you so many marketing dollars. So instead of wasting your money marketing to everyone, you'll be marketing only to those customers who would be looking for your services. Tip number 3 is to stop boosting posts. Boosted posts are great for increasing exposure, but they are horrible for getting you bookings. So if you have a post on your page that you want to get seen, you can have it boosted, but I promise you it will increase the amount of exposure, that is the amount of people that see that post, and it might increase the amount of likes to your page, but it will not get you as many bookings as you think. What I want you to do instead is I want you to craft your ads from scratch. So go into the Facebook Ads Manager and develop your ads step by step. The Facebook Ads Manager is a great, easy to use platform that will walk you through the steps of setting up your Facebook ads. And if not, and if you need help, reach out to someone who can. And now here's what I want you to do when you're building your ad from scratch is that I want you to really focus on looking at who your target clients are and building the ads to suit them. And the great thing about that is this is what will allow you to speak to the customers who you are looking for and who are looking for you. And a boosted post just will not do that. Tip number 4 is to stop selling in your ads. Facebook ads are just that. They're another marketing venue. So when I'm scrolling through my Facebook feed as a potential client, if I see an ad and you're immediately selling to me, the chance of me booking your services from that ad is highly unlikely. And here's why. If I'm looking to plan a wedding or an event and I'm not familiar with your services, I will be less likely to book you from an ad rather than if I'd gotten to know you. So what I want you to do instead of trying to sell in the ad is I want you to offer customer a freebie. And that's what I like to call a lead magnet. And this is your opportunity to pull them onto your mailing list, to pull them into your business, and to start developing a relationship. So here's what the ideal steps will look like. You have a lead magnet or a free downloadable that customers will see in your ad. You will give them an opportunity to download it for free in exchange for their email address. So they will hit that download button, they will type in their email address, they will be added to your mailing list, and they will receive the free piece of content that they can use right away. The next thing you can do now is you can follow up with them. You can send them an email, you can engage with them, you can tell them more about your business, and you can give them an opportunity to get to know you. And that right there is called an email series. And through that series, you develop a relationship with them. And once you've done that, you can then try to sell to them. But until you've taken them on a journey of getting to know you and your business, then it's a very hard sell to try to get them to book you on a social media feed when you basically interrupted their scrolling session. So those are all my tips for today. Now, if you haven't already done so, in the link below, there is a link to my complete Facebook ad guide. I definitely think you should download it. It is beneficial for you as an event planner to ensure that you're doing the correct things in your ad and that you're not missing customers.